Imagine soaring high above stunning landscapes. As the sun sets, vibrant colors paint the sky. Welcome to an unforgettable Grand Canyon and Las Vegas getaway. In this video, you'll experience luxury, excitement, and breathtaking views of the Grand Canyon and Las Vegas. First, prepare for takeoff at the Las Vegas Strip. Next, board your helicopter for an exhilarating flight. As you ascend, look for the High Roller and Fremont Street. The breathtaking view of the Sphere Las Vegas will leave you in awe, its futuristic glow lighting up the desert night like nothing you've seen before. Arrive at the Grand Canyon and take in a view so vast and surreal, it feels like a masterpiece painted by nature. Savor the sunset together and raise your glasses to the moment. Experience the vastness and beauty of this natural wonder. Now, let's talk about other Las Vegas attractions. Discover Vegas energy through casinos, world-class dining, and dazzling entertainment. Glide through the Venetian's Grand Canal on a peaceful gondola ride, an unforgettable Vegas experience. You can also enjoy a thrilling ride at the Indoor Adventure Dome at Circus Circus. Each experience brings a splash of Vegas-style glamour, where fun, lights, and a hint of casino magic await. End your day in pure bliss, wrapped in serenity and the rejuvenating magic of a world-class spa. To summarize, this tour merges luxury and adventure, from the Grand Canyon's grandeur to Vegas's dazzling energy. Witness stunning views and dive into the excitement of Las Vegas, a city of lights, action, and endless adventure. Ready to embark on something extraordinary? Soar over the Grand Canyon and embrace the magic of Las Vegas. From the Grand Canyon's epic beauty to the pulse of Las Vegas, your journey starts now.